In this video, I will show you how to set up a Zap for new input in a Google Sheet cell to send message in Slack. For this, first you have to create a Zap. So go to zapier.com and sign in or create an account if you have not already. And once you have successfully created your account or you have successfully signed in, now click on Create on the left side of the dashboard. From the drop-down, click on Zap and you will land on a screen like this. Now, the second step is to set Google Sheets as the trigger. In the trigger section, search for and select Google Sheets, and under trigger event, choose new spreadsheet row. This will trigger every time a new row is added. And then connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet and the worksheet where you want to monitor for new rows. Now, the third step is set the Slack as the action. In the action section, search for and select Slack. Under the action event, select Send Channel Message or Send Direct Message, depending on where you want to send the message. Once you're done, connect your Slack account and authorize Zapier to send message on your behalf. Choose the channel or user you want to send the message to. In the message text field, add dynamic content by pulling in data from the Google Sheet, and then customize the message however you would like. And then you can test your Zap to make sure everything works. Now, whenever a new row is added in the specified Google Sheet, a message will be sent to your Slack channel or user.